Traders, I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist here, RJO Futures, here to talk to you a little bit about commodities and the agricultural markets. Well, it's Friday, July 29th. We'll start with the corn market. We might have possibly the biggest corn crop in the history of our great country, USA. So we got a lot of acres in corn this year, and we'll just see how the yield plays out. We also have the cheapest corn in the world today. So it's really important. I talk about demand every week. We got to get the rest of the world buying our U.S. corn. We got the highest quality corn and the most of it, like I just mentioned. We need Mexico to buy corn, Cuba, Brazil, Saudi Arabia, South Korea. Let the whole world get in here and buy our corn. We got a lot of it to sell. There's going to be a carryout of 2.5 billion bushels of corn here once we get done harvesting. There's also 10 to 15% corn stored from last year, 2015. So not the most bullish picture for corn in the short term. Longer term, I think it's a little better story. The soybean market is the crop to watch here. We're winding down July. Most of soybeans pollinate in August. It's imperative now here that we get good weather. We're in pretty good shape, and we'll just see about that. Soybean market is a drought-resistant crop, and by that I mean we get 1 or 2 rains in August and the crop's going to be made. The soybean market, the demand is very good. And I think it's going to continue to be very good. We've had exports yesterday, very good. We need China in here to continue to buy U.S. soybeans. They buy more soybeans from us than the next 10 countries combined. We need that to continue. And I think it's going to. So you got a good demand story here in soybeans. Keep an eye on the 963 area on November beans. That's the 62% retracement from the March to June rally. And as long as we stay above there, we're 983 as we speak. We got a chance to rally here. I noticed temperatures next week in northern Illinois, 95 later next week. So I don't know Sunday night if this heat is going to jumpstart soybeans again and get them rallying. There is 100,000 contracts still long in the soybean market. And these are technical traders. They know where these retracement levels are. So we'll keep an eye on that. Here's about commodities here. I mean, this is my opinion. We're in the next cycle of commodities. More activity going on. We've just seen cotton rally from 62 to 75. What happened in cotton? Certainly there's short covering going on. China had their cotton reserves sale, and there was a good auction, good buying in the China reserves. So good story in cotton. We've seen natural gas go from $2 to $3 here. Is there less natural gas in our country? I don't think so. You've got 5 months of higher highs and higher lows in natural gas. You can't make this stuff up. So I think this new commodity cycle, and we're talking about the grain markets, and at the end of the day, the world's got to eat no matter what calamity that it finds itself in. So it's pretty exciting and fun to talk about. So everybody have a great weekend. Thank you.